It's the Jonas Sisters, and today we are going to make my dad's food. It's called beef. Biryani beef. For this recipe, you'll need 2 tomatoes, 1 kilo beef, and 3 onions. You'll need ginger, garlic, black and green cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaf, peppercorns, cloves, and star anise. Let's get cooking for Father's Day. And biryani is my dad's favorite dish. The first step is to pour oil into a pan and cook the onions till they're golden brown. My sister is going to pour all the onions in. Here you go. Put them all in.
Might need to help her.
I can help you. Keep on stirring till it's nice and golden brown. Now you can see the onions are nicely golden brown. Now take a few of the onions out of the pan and place them in a plate. But before you put the onions in a plate, make sure to put tissue. And you might need an adult to help you with this. Once you've put the onions to the side, get your beef and place them in. Let the meat cook for a little while and stir it nice and good so it can become brown. While the beef is cooking, we are going to prepare our basmati rice. Add some spices and boil some water. Boil some water and add some spices. Add 1 spoon of ghee. Once the water's boiling, add your rice that was soaking for half an hour. Now you can see the meat is nicely brown, and now you can add everything. Give it a nice mix and let it cook, and then you can add your tomatoes. Now add 1 cup of water and cook the meat till it's nice and soft for 1 hour. Beef has been boiling for an hour. Now we can add some more spices. We are going to add red chili powder, nutmeg powder, haldi powder, and coriander powder. First I'm going to add this. Give it a good mix. Now add 1 cup of yogurt and some lemon juice. Then give it a good mix. add salt for seasoning. Add chopped coriander to your beef and give it a good stir. And then you're done. Now let's start to layering the biryani. To layer your biryani and rice, first put one layer of rice, then some beef, and then sprinkle some coriander on and put on some lemons. I am putting...
Chanel will put the lemon.
I'll put it on there. Continue layering till you use all your rice. Once you've layered your rice, top it out with some chilies and onion and some coriander and your color. Once you've topped it up, put your rice on the gas for 15 minutes for dum. Chanel, let me do it first. Okay, let's pour all of this in. Now do the onions. Should I do chili first? Onions. Chanel, now you can do the color. Put it everywhere, not just in one spot. Once the beef and rice is on the gas, cover it with a cloth and put the lid on. Cooking for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, so now let's check our biryani. Smells so good. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please make sure to subscribe, share, and like.